In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this bag. It's really easy. The material that I used is 1 ball of this yarn. The recommended needle is between 7 and 8 millimeters. I used a 6 millimeters crochet hook. I also used stitch markers and scissors. You have to start with a chain 20. In my case, with chain 20 is enough for me, but if you want to make the bag bigger, you can make a chain larger. Once you have the chain, you have to make a chain 1 and start with 1 increase. Continue with 18 stitches in my case. Continue working stitches single crochet to the corner. Single crochet to the corner. Once you are at the corner, you have to make 5 single crochet in the corner to make an increase of 5 single crochet. Working on the other side of the chain, you have to make a single crochet to the end, but in my case I will make the single crochet not taking the other loop of the chain. I will take the stitch, I will place the crochet hook in between of the single crochet of the other side of the chain. Here I will make the single crochet and continue making the single crochet to the end, making the same, placing the crochet hook in between of the single crochet of the other side. When you are at the end, you have to make 3 single crochet at the corner. This is the row number 1. To start the row number 2, you have to make place a stitch marker. You are working in the round to the end of the bag. To the end of the bag, you are working in the round. So in the round number 2, you have to start with 1 stitch. And now to the end of the bag, you have to make single crochet taking only the back loops. Work to the end single crochet taking only the back loops. So make 1 stitch, 1 increase, 19 stitches. Remember, taking only the back loop, 19 single crochet taking only the back loop. And once you are at the corner, you have to make 1 increase, 1 single crochet, 1 increase, 1 single crochet, 1 increase, and continue with 19 single crochet. Once you are at the end, you have to make 1 increase, 1 single crochet and 1 increase. If you want to make the base of the bag bigger, you can continue making rows with increases. You have to make the increases where you have the increases of the previous row. Always increasing on the same space, on the same space where you have the increases on the previous row. So continue increasing if you want. in my case I will make only those 2 rows, and from the row number 3 to the row 21 I will make 1 single crochet, taking the back loops to the end. So from the row 3 to the row 21, 1 single crochet, taking the back loops around. On the row number 22, we have to make now the handles. On the sides, you have to count the 8 stitches of the center of the back and place 2 stitch markers. You can adapt the size of the handles, making the handles with more chains or less chains. Once you are at the stitch marker, you have to make, in my case I will make a chain 8 and skip 8 stitches. And continue working the single crochet normally, taking the back loop, remember, to the other stitch marker. Once you are at the other stitch marker, you have to repeat the same, a chain 8, skip 8 stitches on the bottom part, and continue working the stitches normally to the end of the row. And on the row number 23, you have to work the stitches normally. And once you are at the chain 8, you have to make 8 single crochet around the chain. You can take, if you want, one part of the chain, but I prefer make the stitches around the chain. So make 8 single crochet and continue working the single crochet, taking the back loops to the other handle, to the other chain 8. where you have to make again 8 single crochet. And now you only have to finish the row, making 2 slip stitches, cut the yarn, and fasten off. And you finished your bag.